Make a great choice today with the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, carpeted floor mats, day-night rear view mirror, HD radio, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.